so
at Cuz.
I mean, you know you guys aren't going to win a championship.
Bro, we have the team. We have K.
Got something to say, don't get mad because I say something and then you catch feelings. I call you out on it and I'm insecure and all these, everybody running with it. Now people come to me like, damn man, I didn't know you were so cool when they meet me in person. Why? Because what y'all say. But that goes for everybody around here. Y'all say shit about them, they don't say nothing and they just keep adding on, but I'm the one, I just talk. I say how I feel, but that's what happened yesterday?
I mean, was that all fun or was it?
What you thought it was?
It seemed a little more serious.
Why?
Just because it seemed like you were upset.
Why me?
Because of what he had said when he answered that other tweet.
So why isn't he upset?
He doesn't seem to be upset now.
So why am I upset?
I don't know. I mean, I just thought when you put the...
You did his podcast.
And you called it the FM podcast and Snake.
But so I'm the upset one because he responded to something I said.
Well, it seemed like he was almost saying something about you and then you responded to that.
Yeah, but he didn't have to say something about me.
No.
Okay then. So how am I upset?
Well, he went first.
Exactly.
I'm just saying you're upset because he went first.
So CJ's not upset, but I am.
I thought you might be upset at the notion of what was being...
Maybe he was upset about something I did.
But you gave him the time for the podcast, though.
Yes, and you're right about that.
Okay. So I'm the upset guy.
No, I guess he was upset first.
All right then.
Been around.